Hey guys, it's Marcus here with socialprofittools.com, where you're going to go to get all the tools that you need to make money with your social media. Now, you'll notice right here I have a phone emulator with the socialprofittools.com site open. And you'll notice that it's pretty ugly. It looks pretty terrible on a phone. So what we want to do is we want to make something that's going to work for our Instagram links, knowing that Instagram is mostly used on mobile, which means they're going to be looking at it on a phone. And we want to be able to generate leads, show videos. We want to be able to have links they can click and get people to interact with our social media so that we can make lots of money. And we want to have it on our own and we want to have it on our own domain. We want to make sure that everything is under our control and really easy for people to get to because they don't want to type in big, long URLs on their phone. And we're going to make it completely user-friendly so that you can start getting paid from your social media. So let me show you how this works with the Social Profit Tools add-on theme and software. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to take this site. This is a blog. Now, if you haven't yet created a blog, you can see here, this is what it looks like on mobile, right? If you haven't yet created a blog, you can go over to gohubsite.com and it'll teach you how to set up a blog with your own domain in about 5 minutes. It's really, really that easy. And then once you do that, you can do all the stuff that I'm going to show you. So again, that is gohubsite.com. Now, for your mobile stuff, make sure that you choose a short URL. For example, affiliatedude.com, because my normal domain, affiliatemarketingdude.com, is a little bit long, so I wanted it shorter so that it shows up in Instagram and Facebook and everything like that, and I can track everything. So when you go through this at gohubsite.com, they're going to give you a free domain. You sign up for hosting. It's like $6 a month, which is dirt cheap, and you're going to be able to do all this stuff, which is really cool. Okay, so choose a short domain, something that is easy to remember, something that signifies you. If your name is like mine, Marcus, it could be like free stuff from Marcus or Marcus's tips or something short. If you have a business name, maybe use that or a shortened version of it so that it's really easy to go to. I use this all the time, like joinmarcus.com, affiliatedude.com, things like that are really easy to remember. So we're going to go ahead and do that, or you could even do follow Marcus or whatever your name is, follow whatever your name is. Okay, so really easy. You can follow these steps at gohubsite.com. It'll show you how to set up your domain, your hosting, and your WordPress. Once you're done with this, again, it takes like 5 minutes. It's so easy. Go do it right now. Once you're done, you are going to come to something like this, and you will have a site that looks like this. And if you want to see it on the regular screen, it is socialprofittools.com, socialprofittools.com. You can see this is the basic WordPress. Again, nothing fancy. Not what we want. Okay, so what we're going to do first and foremost is we are going to install the social media theme that I created for you. Now, you can get this theme for free at my site at socialprofittools.com. You can get the theme, you can use it, make cool little Instagram things, and all kinds of stuff, which I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to download the theme. So you go to socialprofittools.com, put your name, email in the box, download the theme, follow the instructions on gohubsite.com, and you'll be right where we are. Okay, so we're going to go here. You have your theme, you have your hosting, and you have your blog. We're going to go into our blog. We're going to go into Appearance, Themes. We're going to go to Upload Theme. Okay, watch how easy this is. We're going to upload the theme right like this. Choose File, and we're going to find the file. I think I had it on desktop, and I called it Social Profit. There we go. We're going to click Install Now. Watch what happens here. It's so easy to set up. It's not even funny. It's got like 50% there. And here we go. It should take another second. So again, remember, right now on socialprofittools.com, we got an ugly blog. We need something that's going to work for mobile. So we're going to go here. We're going to click Activate Theme once we've installed it. Boom. Now, check this out. We're going to reload this. And we got a cool mobile theme. This is cool, right? Now, I'm going to show you why it's cool, because right now it looks kind of lame, doesn't it? Right? There's nothing to it. But what's going to happen is it's actually going to go ahead and load on the phone like this any minute. It should load in like a minute, you know. Takes a minute or two. Right like this, which makes it super easy and it makes it cool to look at. Okay, so now we have this. We could just go into our blog like this, and we're going to set up. We're going to go to Settings, general. And this is going to give you complete control over everything. You can have like a little slogan here. We'll put like social media tools for marketers, right, like this. There's your stuff. We're going to hit save. We don't need to do anything else here. We'll go save changes. Then we're going to go into writing, I believe it is. Yes, reading. We're going to go into reading, and we're going to choose, instead of your latest pages, we're going to do static page, and we're going to do sample page, okay? Or we could do social profit tools like that, okay? And we're going to hit save. Okay, so now we got our home page set up. What it's going to look like is, boom, right like that. We got like a little add to cart button. I was testing a thing that I can actually have people order right on my Instagram post, which is really cool. So if you want to get the social profit tools and the social profit training and learn how to make money with social profit stuff on social media, go to Social Profit Tools. You can click the add to cart and boom, you'll be able to sign up right there. Okay, so really cool. But that's an example of how you can do it. And again, when we look at that on the phone, like if you were going to sell something on Instagram, boom, it's easy. You're done, right? You don't have to have any fancy stuff. It's just like that. You just copy and paste the HTML. Super easy, right? So that's what it looks like on the phone. Very, very easy. Okay, but what we want to do is we want to do something different, because what I use for my social media is I use affiliatedude.com. Now, affiliatedude.com, my goal here is to have people check out new videos, look at our Facebook group, and follow us on Instagram, right? So it's really easy. Again, if we were to take this and put this into the phone emulator, we could see that, boom, it looks really good, right? It's super easy. So when people come from Instagram on their phones and tablets, it looks like this, and it's really easy for them to follow. So they could just go here, check it out, and then boom, they can click on the things, and it's going to take them to new links. It's going to take them to things, and it all looks really good, right? Takes them right to my Instagram there, and everything like that. So super cool, super easy. It's got everything you need right there. They can watch the video right there on their phone. It'll load right there in perfect sizing and everything, and all you have to do is copy the embed link, which is super, super easy to do. Okay, really easy. Super simple. Okay, we want this to be easy for them, easy for you, everything like that. So now, once you're ready to get started, you could just simply hit edit, and then your WordPress dashboard allows you to edit whatever you want. So if I go in here and I'm like, oh, hey, you know what? I want to put an image with a link or something like that. I would just drag and drop it right like this. It'll upload for me, super easy. I can choose my sizing here. I always do full size and then shrink it down in here, right like this. But the program will shrink it down for you. Okay, so we just do this. I could center it. I could say, you know, click here to follow me on social media. Or if your social media is about like getting them to sign up or something like that, you can do that too. And then, of course, if you want a link, you just put your link to where they sign up. Let's say we want to send them to Social Profit Tools, not Social Profit Fools, tools.com, right like this. And then, boom, we're ready to go. And now what it's going to look like is we'll just go back to the phone thing, and boom, what it's going to look like is very simple and very easy. And the cool thing about this is you can change these things at the drop of a hat, right? So you're not like married to one thing and that's it. You're going to get things that are going to work, right? So if we go here and we do socialprofittools.com, you can see what it's going to look like on a phone, which makes it super, super easy. And of course, it looks great on the web as well. So really easy. And you can see right there, boom, there we got it. And of course, the phone doesn't have this bar. This is just so we can scroll. But you can see how beautiful that looks, right? It's like, boom, there you go. I can have this here. I can change it, right? So if I have like a promo going on my social media, boom, there we go. If I get an advertiser that wants to advertise, they can buy the link and boom, I can set them up. And then, you know, I can change it as I get new advertisers. I can add new things, all kinds of stuff. It makes it really, really, really cool and really easy to use. That's one of the ways you can use this as well. You can even do, like, if you want to have people join your mailing list, all I would have to do to get them to join a mailing list is say opt in here, and I'll actually use this for you. We'll do opt in here for your free social profit tools WordPress theme. Okay, boom, there we go. We'll center this. We can make it bold. We can make it big. We can make it red if we want to make it red and stand out like that. And then all I got to do here is center this, put a little A, and paste the code from my opt-in form. And boom, here we go. We got this. And now all I have to do is reload the page on our phone thing here. And boom, there you go. Obviously, I'm filming this later. I have a different shirt on. But that's how it works, and they can actually go in on their phone, and usually their name and email is automatic on their phone. They just put that there, they click download or get video or whatever you want to give them to get them to opt in or join my list or whatever. And there you go, right? You could build a list straight from your Instagram posts in a really easy way, making sure that people are not missing out if they're on mobile, because we know that mobile gets a lot of traffic. So really, really cool. Now, let me show you some other things that we have as well. You could do advertisements. You can actually sell ads and put them right on your Instagram link that goes to your site, and boom, you can make money right away. You can put affiliate offers on your site. You can put links to your YouTube channel, and in a really cool way, because there's a lot of link generators that are out there, like Linktree and several others that, you know, they're okay, but they don't get the amount of views that my stuff gets, right? These are ads that are created based on user response and based on what people click on, right? And the more clicks you get, the more people are going to follow you, the more money you're going to make, the more famous you're going to get in your market. And it's really cool, and it's really easy to go through. Now, let me show you one of the other tools we have as well. After you get the theme, we'll have some information on the other tools. But one of the other tools is a plugin that I have, which is called the Social Media Monetizer. And as you can see here, what this does is I can like upload these images with links, and it actually tracks them. Right, so I could go in and at a glance say, hey, check this out. You know, we got these clicks, how many are coming in, how many people went to my site, and it's going to show you everything. And you can actually take the ads or the images that are not getting traffic, and you can, you know, swap them out for other ones, and you can change it really easy. Let me show you how cool it is. Once we go in here, we say, okay, we're going to go here, and we're going to edit our ads. So if I want to create a new ad here, all I have to do is click on the little plus here, and then go ahead and choose where I want these people to go. So if I want them to go to, let's say I want them to go to my order page or something, I'll send them to socialprofittools.com. And then if I want to put text below the image, I just click this, and I could say, click here to get Marcus's social profit tools. Okay. And then we're going to go through. We got a border. I always make the border white. And then I always make my text. I like to have it in blue. And then you can make it whatever size you want as well. So we'll just choose this one here. And then you can make it whatever size you want. So we'll choose blue like that. And then, of course, we could say, oh, hey, you know what? I want it underlined. I want the text to be, you know, 14 high or size 14 or something like that. And then when I'm ready, I just choose my image to upload. So I'll go in here. I'll select a file. Okay, let's say I want to put this Social Profit Tools banner looking thing here. And you can make them sized however you like. And then we'll hit Insert into Post. And then it looks like that. And then boom, here we go. Now you can see that that ad is now added. It's going to track the clicks. And then, of course, on our mobile, right like this here. Okay, so you can see the Social Profit Tools. Again, when they click on it, they're going to go over to whatever website you want them to go to, and boom, you're ready to go. Right? Again, mobile optimized, really easy to use, super simple. So as you can see, the Social Media Monetizer is a great tool to have as well. Some of the others that we have is the Squeeze Blogs Pro, the video server, where you could actually have videos on your site. We also have some other ones like trackers and everything, so that you can see what people are doing, what they're clicking on. And as you can see, this is a really good way to start utilizing the people that are coming from your social media to your site so that you can make some money, right? It's going to be really cool, and it's going to work really well. This is what I use on mine. My first week I started with Instagram using this, I made several $1,000s, and I only had 500 followers on that account. So it's really easy. Again, results not typical. I don't know what you'll make, but if you follow the tools that we have in the social media, in the Social Profit Tools, it's going to show you exactly what you need to do to monetize your audience to be able to make a living off of social media, because it's not that hard to do. You just need to get people to go to the right things. And of course, if I had someone that said, hey, I want to run an ad, I don't have to change everything on my profile. I just say, hey, yeah, okay, give me your image. Boom, I pop their image in here. I put their text in here. Done. When they're done with their ad, I turn it off. Really easy. And as you can see, I can click it off at the drop of a hat. I'm just like, okay, I don't want that one, and boom, it's gone. And obviously the same thing happens on the phone to where that's gone. And it'll track it. It'll tell you exactly what's going on, and you can get a lot more followers. Now, one of the other cool things about using this method as opposed to like a link tree or something like that is the fact that your blog is designed to have several pages. So I could actually go in and I could say, well, I'm going to do a post about something specific. For example, every Friday I have a webinar, and I do a post on Instagram, right like this, where I say go to affiliatedude.com/live. It'll take them right to the page where they can sign up for the webinar, and it's all on the same site. It's all very easy. It's all mobile optimized, and I even have the opt-in box so that they can become part of my list to join the webinar, and I even have like a live chat so they could click here and actually talk to me live on my site, and I can sell stuff all day long, which is really cool. Okay, other pages that I have on this site is where you could go in and have them go to a video, right? You can have them go straight to a video with a link under the video, and you can see this is how it works. Now, on your actual phone, it'll be bigger, and they can resize it and everything like that, so it's really easy. I also have lots of other pages. So if you want to create a page for this, right? Like let's say you make an Instagram post and a lot of people are looking at it, and you want to put in the description, hey, go to this site, you would just go to your main area here, and you can click on add new. It'll add a new page, and then whatever you want to name the page, like if I want this to be, maybe you have an Instagram where you're talking about fashion and you're like, hey, we got a new dress, and you want to call it like red dress or something like that. Okay, all I have to do is hit publish, and it's going to give me the URL, affiliatedude.com/reddress, and then all I have to do is put whatever content in here I want. Super easy to do. If you have like a video, you could go through and add a video, or you can add a picture or something like that. Let's say I want this picture here. I just hit update, and then boom, on the phone, when they go to affiliatedude.com/reddress, it's going to have a post for that. And, if you're selling it, you can even put like your link to Etsy or your link to Shopify or whatever it is you're doing. And boom, you're off to the races. You're ready to go. So as you can see, this stuff is super powerful. You can control your audience. Again, that's why I say you need to get a short domain name. You can do that. Follow the instructions at gohubsite.com. Get your domain, then go over to socialprofittools.com. Get the theme. Start messing around with it. Start watching my other videos on how to manage this, and you will be in business as a social media king, because now you can control where your traffic goes in a really, really easy way. I did this just last week with one of our posts using the Affiliate Marketing Dude tracker, where I track all my links. And what this does is it creates links for you. So if I want to create a link and send them to like an affiliate offer or some kind of page, I can do that. And you can see on this one here, we sent 943 people to this link, 543 to this one, and this campaign actually made me, I think we're at close to $7,000, and it pays me residual. So it's making a lot of money off a measly little 1,500 clicks. So as you can see, this stuff's going to work extremely well if you do it the right way. What I want you to do is go over to gohubsite.com, get your domain. They give it to you free. Get your hosting. They're going to get your hosting, and then you'll click a button and you'll have WordPress installed. And then when you install the theme from socialprofittools.com, you're ready to go. You're off to the races. You can now have a social media site that gets traffic, gets clicks, and makes sales, and gives you control over everything. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope you go and set this up, because if you do, you're going to start taking charge of your social media traffic, which is the name of the game if you want to make money. Thanks again for watching. I'm Marcus from socialprofittools.com, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this, subscribe to my channel here so that you get more. Thanks again.